Assalamu alaikum class 9. Hope you will be good. We are doing unit number 10, drug addiction. We have done textbook question answers and now I am going to do book exercise. Today date is 1/7/2020. It's my 12th lecture and day is Wednesday. First of all, we will do vocabulary portion. See question number 1. Guess the meaning of the following words from the text. Write the meaning in the middle column. Confirm the meaning by using a dictionary. So we have words from the text, then we have to write the guess meaning of these words and then dictionary meaning. First word is long term. Guess meaning is long time. Dictionary meaning is very large period. Dependence means the stage of depending, and dictionary meaning is subjection. Peer, equal in rank, and dictionary meaning is friend. Outcast, turn out from society, and dictionary meaning is homeless or friendless. Rapid, guess meaning is fast and dictionary meaning is swift. Rehabilitation, recovery, and dictionary meaning is to restore a former position. Critically, to keep an eye, and dictionary meaning is in a critical manner. See grammar. It's on page number 109. Relative pronoun. A relative pronoun joins idea. Relative pronoun जो है आइडियाज़ को ज्वाइन करते हैं. इट गिव्स एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट, e.g. who, which, that, whom, whose. These all are relative pronouns. It gives us extra information about the subject or object. ये हमें सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे, एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे और ये आइडियाज़ को ज्वाइन करेंगे. सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. द पीपल हु आर डिससेटिस्फाइड. So the people who are dissatisfied, it is about the people who are dissatisfied, यानी वो लोग जो गैर मुतमईन हैं. ये relative pronoun के ज़रिए से they are giving us extra information about the people, about the subject. And discontented with their lives may also resort to drug addiction. The people who are addicted to drugs undergoes many serious problems. So the people who are, it is also telling about the people and then give us extra information or additional information about the people. Adjective clause. An adjective clause is a group of words which does the work of an adjective. We know that what is adjective. Adjective tells us quality of a noun or pronoun. It modifies noun, and in adjective clause we have group of words which action or which provide the meaning of adjective. It usually begins with a relative pronoun such as who, which, that, which, whose. So see, who are dissatisfied and discontented. After who, all the information is given about the people dissatisfied, discontented. It is adjective clause. Same here, who are addicted to drug undergoes many serious problems. So all the information given about the people is adjective clause. So after relative pronoun it is given adjective clause. I hope you have understand. See activity. Question number A. Use who, whom, that, which, whose in the following sentences. Sentence number 1. There are the color pencils which. If we have non-living things such as color pencils, it is non-living, we write which I want to buy. I know the woman whose child was hurt, we write whose. The old lady whom we met in the shop was Amna's grandmother. This is the girl who. If we have living being, we write who. This is the girl who stood first in the class. Shazia likes the candles that her father brought for the market. Anwar, whom no one listened to, was right. So we have to write relative clause in relative pronoun in these sentences, and we have to say that we are writing these relative pronouns at the middle of the sentence. If we write these words in the beginning of a sentence, such as who are you, so it will become question, it will be WH question. It will not be relative pronoun. All the time relative pronoun is at the middle of the sentence. It joins two sentences, two ideas. ये हमेशा दो sentences को, दो ideas को join करता है. See question number B. Use the following relative pronouns in sentences. So relative pronoun is given and you have to make sentences. Let me show you my notes. See, first one, who. Naila, who is my friend, is very intelligent. Which, the dress which is blue in color is very costly. That, I like book that I brought from Lahore. Whom, Hira is a doctor whom I invited for dinner. Whose, Naila is professor whose salary is good enough. So these are the relative pronouns. You have to make sentences to your own if you want, or copy the sentences I have given you on your neat notebook. See next activity. It's on page number 110. Question number C. Underline adjective clause in the following sentences. Also encircle the relative pronoun. So we will encircle, सर्कल करेंगे relative pronoun को और adjective clause को underline करेंगे. Question sentence number 1. He tells a tale that you will circle that sounds untrue. You will underline sounds untrue. Sounds untrue is adjective clause and that is relative pronoun. People who eat too much die early. Who, you will circle who, and eat too much die earlier, it is adjective clause, you will underline it. I met the woman whose son helped me. So you will encircle whose and son helped me, you will underline it. He is the man whom we all respect. You will circle whom and underline we all respect. I have work which, you will circle which I must do. You will underline I must do, it is adjective clause. I hope you will understand this activity. You have to circle all relative pronouns and rest of the sentence will be adjective clause and rest of the sentence you will underline as it is adjective clause. Supply suitable adjective clauses. So sentence is given. We have to make our own adjective clause. हमें खुद से adjective clause बनानी है. Where is the book which I brought yesterday? Any student who make much noise will be punished. The umbrella that is of blue color is mine. That is the girl who keep me in leaving lesson. Who help me in learning lesson. Where is the man who stole my pen? So you can make your own adjective clause, but it will always start with relative pronouns such as which, who, that, who, and which. So you can try to your own or write it as it is. That's it. You have to learn all of this book exercise and try to make your own sentences. Good luck class. Allah Hafiz.